Make a cute French Bulldog fridge magnet. Use a craft knife. Let's get started. From the side, the puppy has a curved shape. So, first remove excess wood from the sides. Shape it so the middle is higher than the sides. Advance the blade one notch. Lock both tail knobs and begin carving. Like sharpening a pencil, hold the knife in your right hand. Use your left thumb to apply pressure. Slowly push the knife outwards. Push until the end, then stop. This is a controllable cutting process. Don't let the blade lose control, because a runaway blade is often the start of danger. You can shave backwards like peeling an apple, but be sure to mind your thumb's safety. If you have cut-resistant gloves, wear them. No matter when, keep your fingers clear of the blade's path. This project is quite simple. Just use the craft knife for shallow cuts. Don't rush. You can take your time. Now, we need to round off all the sharp corners. Always cut across the wood grain, which means it cuts smoothly and fluidly. If the blade tends to embed into the wood, it's easy to tear the wood fibers, and a large chunk will come off. So, try to cut across the grain with every stroke. The way to judge is simple. If every cut is smooth, the wood surface will have clean cuts. That means you're going in the right direction. If you start getting splinters and tears, that means you're cutting against the grain. Don't force it at this point. The wood or the blade, try a different direction. Handle the outline as well. Smooth out the marks left by the machine, gradually turning them into carved marks. When you reach an inward curve, while pushing forward, slightly tilt the blade tip upwards. Keep the entire motion fluid. Because the blade's edge is narrowest, wood can move more freely inside. Pushing forward, gently lifting up, try to shave it very thin. Too thick, and it will catch, making the surface look rough. For tight curves, use the knife back and forth to clear splinters. Keep the blade flatter for better control. Once you reach this point, the outer contour is mostly done. Next, let's draw the features. You can draw them to your liking or follow along with me. Find the vertical guideline above center. This horizontal line marks the top of the eyes. In the center, nose, downturned lips, mouth folds. Then, the eyes and ears. Make sure they are symmetrical. Drawing is building the shape in your mind. Take your time to get this part right. Start from the nose. Cut vertically along the line, cutting across the grain. Go in about 1 millimeter and make a cut. Form a small groove below, letting the wood fall off naturally. If one cut isn't enough, deepen the original cut. Don't start a new one elsewhere, or the wood will break and the edge will look rough. You can go slower. It's okay to shave off thinly. The key is letting the wood release itself. The area below the lip is done the same, creating a millimeter difference, extending to the adjacent edge. The folds of the muzzle are done the same way. You can work on the table or in your hand, whichever is easier. You can go slower, separate first, then round off. Make the edges smoother, less sharp, right? Eyes are done the same way. The eye is a complete small circle, making continuous cuts difficult. You can make several cuts, breaking a large curve into small segments. Then cut diagonally again, meeting the previous cuts, letting the wood fall off. The area around the eyeball needs to be lowered. Due to the wood grain, lowering the eye area can cause splits. There's no perfect solution. Angle the blade slightly, thin cuts with patience. The blade tends to dig in. Then reverse direction, and cut from the other side. Symmetry is key in facial features. Eyes are very sensitive to asymmetry, so always adjust as you go. After the eyes are done, lower the area around them slightly to make the eyeballs pop. This way, the flat circle becomes a sphere. Don't worry about eye gouges at first. It's normal. You'll get the depth with practice. Accuracy over speed, so take your time, no rush. Treat the other side the same. Compare as you work. Let's adjust some details. Round off the edges. Round, plump puppies look cuter. Have you noticed we've been doing 3 things? First, separate edges. Second, establish depth. Third, round off all shapes. This is the core of relief carving. Relief needs precise lines and clear depth. We mostly use the knife tip, so if the tip gets dull, remember to break it off and use a new tip. Sharpness over force. You probably know how to do ears. First, cut the grain along the line, then cut diagonally from inside. The 2 cuts meet, and the wood falls off. We're almost done now. Finally, check all the edges. No wood splinters, and no sharp edges. After smoothing them all, then comes the painting. Mix white and black for gray. Paint the fur areas. Let it dry. Add a little white to lighten the gray base. Brighten the face. For a more lustrous coat, paint the eyes and nose black. Once the paint dries, mix white and red for pink. Paint the ear holes. This step needs no skill, just care, patience, and slow work. Then add a touch of white. Add a highlight to the eyes. This tiny reflection brings life and makes them lively. Our little dog fridge magnet is done. Congrats on making your own magnet. See your work in comments. Bye!